Right near the heart of downtown Olympia, there's a special spot to gather with friends and family after a long day's work. That place is Ilk Lodge, where you can always find a perfect pour and enjoy some classic American food hot off the grill.
It's very local.
It's like a family kind of environment.
I love the atmosphere, I love the people, and the food and the beer, so it's all a nice combination.
Pat Jansen is the head brewer and owner of Ilk Lodge. During the pandemic, Patrick began a Smashburger pop-up around Olympia. Little did he know that this pop-up would later grow into the lodge we see today.
I think it was a relief for a lot of people during that time frame because they could get out of the house, they could be safe, and it was just really social. The joke was just like, one of these days when we get back inside, maybe I'll start a spot with the burgers and the beer,
Here you are. That focus on community extends beyond just creating a place to gather. Ilk Lodge's menu and tap list give people a taste of what Washington farms have to offer.
So I think 80% of our ingredients are local. The cool part about that is you get some unique produce. Working with your community is first, start there and move your way out.
I do get the Smashburger regularly, and it's actually the only red meat I eat. To know that it's locally grown, that just makes it all the better.
Don't miss later in the show when I get the chance to cook the Wobbly Cart Farmer's Deluxe Smashburger with Ilk Lodge's chef Shane.
Mainly, you just want this ripping hot.
It's smoking, so does that mean it's ripping hot?
Looks like it's ripping hot.